love me, that means I must be doing it wrong.
No.
Well, will you tell me how to do it then? Huh?
Yeah.
Well, how?
Just how you did.
But it's taking off with me.
Well, yeah, it's a conveyor belt. You just have to hold it.
But you said don't press it.
Well, don't put all your weight on it.
That cannot be how this works.
Just you have to put a little weight on it and hold it in near place because it's a conveyor belt, so it's going to take off. So you just kind of have to hold it.
Well, I don't think this would.
If you put a ton of weight, it's going to be like a treadmill, so it's going to take off with you. So you don't want to put a ton of weight, but just some, so it does sand it.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Good night, nurse.